Hi, this is Nikki with Nikki's Sweets and Adornments. Why don't you come and make a mermaid cake with me? Today we have our fully frosted cake here, and if you want to find out how to frost a cake just like this, I'm actually working on a workshop that's very intensive that'll take you through all the different steps, even baking the cake. So today we're going to decorate the cake though. We're going to do mermaid cake. So I have made all these things ahead. These are made with colored fondant, and they're actually just molds that I use like this. And I let it dry nice and hard so it's easier to work with. So I have a few of the mermaid tails that I use molds. I have a few just little ocean decorations in some different colors. So I just cut these out almost like strips that are kind of tapered, and then I twisted them. I have these really fun iridescent balls, and I have them in clear pink, and I have an opaque one, and they just make fun little bubbles on the cake that I found on Amazon. I have some coral, and then a bunch of different fish and shells, starfish. These are really fun. So I used rice paper and I colored it, colored the water, and I dipped them in, and then I've just kind of let them dry on some parchment paper that's crinkled up. And then I just painted the outside with edible gold leaf. I have some fun sprinkles that I'm going to use to decorate the cake. And then frosting is in the same color that I put in a piping bag, and this is going to be my glue to glue everything on. So let's start off by putting the name. So this is just gold cardstock that I've cut out with my Cricut. And my frosting, it's not super soft, but it's soft enough where this will actually stick. So there's part of the name. We'll keep going. So I'm trying to press enough to stick it, but try not to mess up the frosting on my cake. So I think that tail would look nice at the top. I'm just going to add some glue. I'm going to add some of these cute little bubbles. I'm finding I'm not needing a lot of frosting, and it kind of sticks in there with this little piece here. So I'm going to add a few of these pieces. Maybe some on the other side just to kind of give it a good balance. It's always nice to kind of make some extra of these just to, you never know really how you're going to like it on the cake. See that end is kind of coming up just a little bit. There we go. And sometimes I just kind of put it up to see how I like it. I might adjust a little bit. It's cute there. Let's see, I think maybe might do a few more bubbles. So I'm trying to decide where to put my rice paper sails. Maybe up here. All right, one left. Let me see where we can put this little guy. All right. And just as a little finishing touch, this kind of can get messy sometimes. We're just gonna add these just for decoration. So I have them in all different sizes here. And I'm just gonna kind of throw them on. There you go. I think I'm happy with that.